Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Angchuken. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. In this video 110, what happened is I'm going to talk about managing contract tracking. How do I track any contract that is expired or in the progress of negotiation? So using just Excel formulas and conditional formatting. So there are two parts to this video. So the first part, let's talk about the video on formula, then another video on the conditional formatting. So let's move on to the data. Now, I have a bogus data here where the name is AAA, BBB, CCC, DDE. So this is the contract date and the contract duration is 12 months. So I need to know when will this contract expire. So I need this to be automated. Every time I enter the contract date, then I will know when it should be expired after 12 months after the duration of the contract. So I'm going to put this equals to eDate. The function that you're going to use here is called the eDate. What they ask for is the start date, then comma, how many months is your contract? So it's a 12 months. Now, the expiry date is usually 1 day before the contract date, right? So I'm going to minus 1 here. There you go. So these are all the dates of the expiry date. So when we know the expiry date, we don't just negotiate about the contract on the day when they expire. Usually is 2 months before. So the contract renewal is set to be 2 months before the expiry date. Therefore, I need to know when am I supposed to start the negotiation. So again, another function called eDate. I'm going to put this expiry date and I'm going to minus 2. Now, minus 2 means 2 months from the expiry date. So I'm going to go from the expiry date is August, so it goes to June. So you should start negotiating the what do you call this contract in the month of June instead. So assuming today is 14th of September 2023, so looks like this is ready for negotiation, right? This is ready for negotiation. So as long as the date is after today, but the expiry date is not expired yet, it's still valid, then we will start the negotiation date. So the status that I'm going to put up here is whether or not this particular contract has already expired. So expired means this date, right, is greater than this. If today is the 9th, and this is it expired? So 29th of August 2023, is this considered expired? If it is today is 14th, yes, it's considered expired. So I'm going to write there if this date, which I am in D13, is less than, right, this date. That means they are earlier than this date. It means it's already expired. Right? So here it means expired. Otherwise, the other type of expired is called valid. All right, so let's check it out. So this is expired. Put it down. So I have 2 contract here is still valid and 2 has already expired. Okay, which means I need to know now whether or not this has been negotiated. So assuming this has been negotiated, so I use yes. But the second one here is no, it has not been negotiated, have not been renewed, not negotiated but renewed. And then this two has no status because it's still valid. And this is already renewed. So it's a yes. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how am I going to use conditional formatting to see which contract is supposed to start the negotiation process and which contract has already expired but has not been renewed. We will talk about that in our next video. So I hope for those of you who have this kind of work that you need to be done for your company, or you know anyone that needs this kind of solution, please remember to share with them, like and share it. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video In my next video, I'm going to talk about how we can do the conditional formatting. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.